Today we learn about vegetables name. Tomato.
Tomato.
This is a tomato.
This is a tomato.
Onion.
Onion.
This is a onion.
This is a onion.
Carrot.
Carrot.
This is a carrot.
This is a carrot.
Potato.
Potato.
This is a potato.
This is a potato.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
This is a cauliflower.
This is a cauliflower.
Turnip.
Turnip.
This is a turnip.
This is a turnip.
Red chili.
Red chili.
This is a red chili.
This is a red chili.
Green chili.
Green chili.
This is a green chili.
This is a green chili.
Peas.
Peas.
This is a peas.
This is a peas.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
This is a cucumber.
This is a cucumber.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
This is a eggplant.
This is a eggplant.
Garlic.
Garlic.
This is a garlic.
This is a garlic.
Corn.
Corn.
This is a corn.
This is a corn.
Ginger.
Ginger.
This is a ginger.
This is a ginger.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
This is a cabbage.
This is a cabbage.
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd.
This is a bitter gourd.
This is a bitter gourd.
Lady finger.
Lady finger.
This is a lady finger.
This is a lady finger.
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
This is a capsicum.
This is a capsicum.
Radish.
Radish.
This is a radish.
This is a radish.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
This is a beetroot.
This is a beetroot.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
This is a pumpkin.
This is a pumpkin. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.